So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create interactive AI avatar, your clone, using HeyGen and Minutes. And before I actually show you, I wanted to show the tool in action. So number one thing that you can use this AI chat agent on your website, and it could be as your appointment setter, or it could be your customer support representative. Okay, so for instance, if you've been using Go High Level, you can have your video interactive avatar, and it's the future of interaction with the customer. So before we have just this type of funnel, and in future we're gonna have a funnel that where our prospect will meet our interactive AI avatar. So let me quickly share with you a little bit in action. So let me start playing. This is my landing page. I placed the interactive avatar there, and it will be go like here at the bottom. I have to click on it to chat, and then once I click, I can actually start speaking with it.
Welcome. If you could automate one part of your business. Hey there, I'm Wally AI, your friendly AI sales strategist. I'm here to help you explore how AI-powered business automation can make your life easier. Are you open to answering a few questions to see if our solutions are a good fit for you?
Yes, I am open. Let me know what's the question you have.
Great. Let's start with this. What's your number one challenge in business right now?
I would say content creation.
Content creation can definitely be a heavy lift. If you could wave a magic wand, where do you want your business to be in 6 months regarding content?
I would say more visibility, 2x visibility till now what I have. I want 2x more visibility.
Got it. Doubling your visibility sounds like an exciting goal. What's stopping you from hitting that visibility goal?
I don't know.
No worries, it can be tough to pinpoint.
So I don't want to fully play that. Just wanted to share number one thing you can integrate, and I'm gonna share with you how to do that. Okay. And the second thing, you can actually send this avatar to the Zoom meeting. Okay. So how you can actually do that? You have to do the integration, but let me show you the HeyGen platform. So number one thing, when you sign up for HeyGen, okay, you will see dashboard looks like this, and you need to go here in the labs. You are seeing the labs at the bottom, and it's new, and this is the interactive avatar option, and it's still in a beta test. Okay, so it's been improving way more. So number one thing, they have here a lot of templates that you could use if you do not have a time to create one. Their templates, public avatar, and a lot. Okay, and you can actually see this, for instance, example, and when it comes to your recording, you can use this concept when creating your content, when recording your videos. So number one thing, you need to go here in my avatar. I already created that. I'll share with you how to create that one, but let's start with the Zoom, how you can integrate with the Zoom. So you need to go here, you need to click on a chat, and you are seeing here the integration. I have already set the integration with the Google Calendar, so you can see send avatar to upcoming meeting. It is so much easy. View avatar meeting history, you can see that. So let's start play chat in a Zoom. So I'll show you how it looks like. So just to show you, so chat in a Zoom, and then start a new Zoom with avatar, or you can just drop the Zoom link underneath of that placeholder as well. So I just started and wanted to share how exactly it looks like.
Recording in progress.
Okay, great. So I am in a meeting room, and avatar is just about to jump in. Let's wait. Oh wow.
All right, let's be honest. As you're waiting for the jump button, I get it. Sometimes it feels like we're just stuck on the launch pad, right? But hey, while we wait, let's talk about what's holding you back from launching into that next level of your business. What's sucking up most of your time right now?
Oh wow. It would be content creation.
The infamous content creation wall. It's like trying to break through a brick fortress with a spoon, right? Let's talk about how we can automate that process so you can spend less time creating and more time scaling. If AI could take over one major task in your content creation, what would it be?
It would be, of course, automating the content creation to gain more visibility.
Automating content creation for more visibility? Now we're talking. Imagine having an AI brainstorming ideas, drafting posts, and even scheduling them, all while you sip your coffee and strategize growth. What's currently automated in your business and what's still manual?
I would say right now, like I don't know what's automated. I need to understand how you can help me mainly. But to answer your question, again, I want automated content creation system.
Got it. Feeling a bit lost in the automation maze? No worries. Let's craft an automated content creation system that'll handle the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling. Imagine your business running on AI autopilot. What would that look like for your content strategy?
Yeah, that would be like absolutely looks good if I would have that.
Absolutely. Picture this: AI generating blog posts, social media updates, and even email newsletters while you kick back and relax. Your brand gets the visibility it deserves, and you save hours of time each week. What's stopping you from going all in on content automation right now?
I don't know how to actually do it. Maybe you can help me.
No worries, that's exactly what I'm here for. Let's start with a structured approach to create your automated content system. Think of it as building your own Profit OSTM for content. Would you like a step-by-step AI blueprint to kickstart your content automation?
Yeah, I need that.
Awesome. Here's a quick blueprint to get your content automation rolling. One, identify your content goals. What
So I'm
topic?
gonna stop that, like, because it's like literally so much fascinating. Okay, so I just shared with you, like, there are like two ways that you can essentially use this avatar. Okay, and also once you will create that, it is pretty much simple. You just need to click create an interactive avatar. Once you will click on it, it will take you through a process. I actually created already, so I don't want to delete it, but it's pretty much simple. You just have to click here, okay, and it will take you to another window where it will give you a manual instruction on your screen, and you have to act what it's saying. So it'll give you an option to speak, say yes, shake your head, silent, see in a camera. So you will be able to record that. Once you do that, you need to train that agent based on where you've been using for interaction. So for instance, I've been using for AI growth strategies. This is my knowledge basis, Wali AI clone 2 3. How you can do it, let me share with you. So you can actually create a new knowledge base here. Just clicking here, select, okay, Wally clone 1 2 3. What would be the opener question that you want that this avatar should instantly start? So you could say, if you could automate one part of your business with AI, what it will be. So that will be become automatically opener question that drive whole conversation with the further prompt that you will guide. So you can eventually use your links like www.walleydigitalconsulting.com and just click enter, and it will pull up all the information from your website. So that's the number one thing. And then here you will basically do a full prompt, okay, and I'm gonna share with you our prompt strategy, like how we design the custom GPTs. So this is the template, okay, I'll send it to you, and you can just like in these yellow highlighter, you can just put your brand name, your name, its function, act as marketing professional, sales closer, blah blah blah. So you can like literally use that information to actually train your agent clone, and I would like to share with you how it looks like practical. So you can either, once you will create that, after save, like after you creating, you have to click on save, and then you'll go back for instance, you created that and you want to make any tweaks based on consistently learning and optimizing, you can just go there and see, okay, how it trained in the backend. So for instance, I give it a primary directive, general rule, my communication style, step-by-step journey of questioning, and then what's the final call to action. Simple. So once you will do that, what do you need to do? You need to click on it and actually see how it interact in action. So you have to pick that knowledge base where would you like to interact with. So for instance, Wally AI clone is a different role. Wally AI clone 2 is a different role. Wally AI clone 3 different role. So you can just see that, and to actually see how it looks like in action, just click here. So there you will be see it is in action as a demo. And then once you'll satisfy that, then you can place anywhere on your stuff that I'll share with you after that.
Hey, it's Wally Clone here. Welcome. If you could automate one part of your business while keeping... Sure. I'm here to help you explore how AI-powered business automation...
Right, so you can actually see that, and now the biggest thing is how you can actually integrate with your website. It is pretty much simple. It is already information, like the option is there. You can see that integration, okay? Click on the integrate and you will see embedded in HTML. So you gotta copy that code, okay, and then go to your Go High Level or whatever the page builder you guys have. So for instance, this, let me share with you. So I'm gonna go in my Go High Level page editor, and then I'm gonna place that interactive out there. Okay, so this is my calendar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick up a manual option. Let's just say I'm gonna add here custom code, like here. Okay, so I just click here, open code editor, and then paste here. And once you see this is yellowish, like not red, that means this is a good code and it's been working. So once you do that, you will take save, okay, and boom. Now, like I know, like I've been running a lot of campaigns for my clients, so I believe before you just send traffic to calendar from ad, now if you could integrate that AI without a sales page, but just put all the necessary information about what exactly the job you want it get done. You can just place it here and think about the future of interaction. People come on the landing page, they have a questions, you already trained your bot how to answer that, and then they're gonna start a chat, okay? And once the chat, they will go here, pick up a time and book a call with you. So this is the future for lead generation, okay? So hope that makes sense, and I'll see you on another video. Thank you.